Lisa. Today we're doing activity 3. Now, if you haven't been to the library and picked up your art kit yet, please do so. You can check out the supplies and the kit, and then for the next 8 weeks, we will be doing lessons on Pablo Picasso. So if this is your first time here, please make sure that you've picked up your pack at the library, and then come back to this Facebook page under videos and you can find the introduction and the other activities that you missed. Please make sure that you read the selection and watch the videos before you start any of the activities so that you know why you're doing what you're doing. Here are the directions for today's activity. Pablo Picasso created many drawings similar to the picture on this page. One way to draw a portrait like this is by creating a continuous line drawing where you don't pick your pencil up off of the page and draw the contours of the face. Using the boxes on the page, choose 6 colors as a color scheme and then use that color scheme to color in the portrait. I picked crayons this time because I love coloring with crayons. You can use whatever you want. If you want to use the colored pencils, that's fine. If you have markers at home, you can use those. Just feel free to use whatever you want and whatever colors you want. And again, don't copy mine. I want this to come out of your creative brain. You are all artists, so don't forget it. One way to approach this is to start by looking at the contours around the eyes. That might suggest what colors you might want to use around the eyes, but it's really up to you. This is your picture, and you do what you want. After all, that's what Picasso did. There we go, almost done. And oh my gosh, it looks just like Picasso, doesn't it? Just kidding. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And remember, when you get done, post it on Instagram, USCL Picasso, so that I can find them. And we will post some on Facebook. And when you get done with things, you can also bring them into the library and we will display them there. Remember to come to the library if you haven't got your kit yet, and you can start this from the beginning. We post every Friday at 4 o'clock. And if you like these videos, you can pop on over to my YouTube channel, Property of Lisa, for more fun videos. Please subscribe when you're there too. Thanks, I'd appreciate it. See you next time.